opening the Ryobi 3-in-1 mower trimmer and edger. And this one we got an extra battery too. Now we have 3 batteries and a charger, 3 chargers. Here's the 4 amp hour battery. It's 18 volts. They also have a 2 amp hour battery that we have, but it only lasts like 5-10 minutes. This 4 amp hour lasts maybe 15 to 25 minutes. This is the main thing we were looking for. They didn't sell this separately, unfortunately, because we already have we got a Weedwacker in 2018 from Ryobi, but they don't make the housing deck, so you had to buy the whole thing, unfortunately. And here's the Weedwacker. It's upgraded, telescopic pole. It should be. You could twist, spin it around, and then you could edge it like that, or you could do a regular weed whacking. And this is for when you put it in the base, you could adjust the height of it. Okay, I got it working. It was just stuck from the factory, or the delivery. And then here's the auto feed string head, no bump required. Release the trigger and advance the string. You open the feed, and then to rewind it, you go left. Advance it, you go right clockwise. See there? It goes in, and then hold on. And then you feed it through the hole right over there. I advanced it too much. Snap this over, and then you put this wing nut in. You move it back and forth like a vacuum cleaner. Right now it's at the highest level. You can lower it and raise it. Someone said it's very fragile. You want to put it at the height first and then put it in. And then you can move it around. Make it bigger and smaller. They showed a kid was mowing the yard with this. And then if you want to get on low spots right over there, you can just go like that, flat down. Here's the new base on the right, and that's the old base on the left. You could see these are the different types of chargers. We even have 1 or 2 other ones. This is the old one. And here's the new one. You can see the light is brighter and a different shade of green. It stays solid because it's charged. Here's the new one. Oh yeah, there, see, it went off right away. It's solid. That means it's fully charged because we charged it overnight. This one right here is blinking and it has 1 bar, so that means it's charging and it's only at less than 25% about. This one is at 100%. Uh-oh, I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's just calibrating or adjusting. It says bad battery or something. Makes no sense. The highest level. This didn't really do too much, the high level. I'm gonna lower it halfway. Right there is the cutting deck. It's like vacuuming the lawn.